If you have a business, you know how important it is to make it easy for customers to book. Today, many use Reserve with Google, but here's the truth. It often includes fees and commissions that come directly out of your profit. So, at the end of the day, you have more bookings, but less profit. There is a smarter solution: Movylo. With Movylo, online bookings are 100% free. No fees, no costs, no surprises. It manages your calendar simply. It sends automatic reminder messages to your clients, and most importantly, you have total control over your bookings and your customers. Imagine having the same service as Google, but without paying anything. Customers book quickly, you save money, and your profit stays where it should, in your business. So, the choice is simple. Google equals bookings with costs. Movylo equals free bookings, more profit. If you want to grow your business by offering a modern experience for your customers, then Movylo is the right solution for you.